You got something you wanna get rid of? You got something you wanna get rid of? You just let it go. Just let the hell go. Don't even want it. Just let it go. But you have to let it go. And then here comes your that's not for anyone to say that word, because that is the most special word, and that is between everyone individual, all of us, between each and his own, his source, his heavenly Father, his creator, from which there can only be one, but all